So then, hi friends, welcome to Crafts and Coding. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sprite talk like me.
So then, hi guys, welcome to Crafts and Coding. So today in this video, as our kitty said, we are going to make a sprite talk like our kitty. So come on, let's start. So you may be seeing many YouTube videos making this sprite talk with the help of letters. But today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make to give voice for this particular sprite. So come on, let's start. So we'll go with one flatlet, and we'll go with sounds. Here the sounds, and you can record anything you want the kitty to say or a particular sprite to say. So I will record. So we'll play and check. Hello, my name is Kitty. So we have recorded it and we'll give save. And here we have many options to make the audio faster, slower, louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, revert. So if we make the audio faster, you will get a very nice sound of our audio. You can just see that now.
Hello, my name is Kitty.
Yeah, you can see this. I love this voice. So I will give this, and remember the name. The recording number is recording 3, and give this option start recording 3. The start sound recording 3. So go with full screen here.
Hello, my name is Kitty.
So you can see that now this sprite talks. If you also want the sprite to talk with letters, you can go with unflatlet forever. Good looks, and go with 5 seconds, and hello will give some other sentence what the kitty says. So I'll just type the same. Hello, my name is Kitty. That's all. So now our sprite talks even with letters and voice. Let's check if that works.
Hello, my name is Kitty.
Yeah, so it also talks with the letters and also with the words. So come on, let's just make this more beautiful by giving some mini sentences. You can also make this by giving some stories, so that the sprite says a story to others. And yeah.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Until then, this is me, Kitty, from Crafts and Coding. Thank you for watching.